Well, my supervisor is on break. I thought I would still work. Now, what is my project today? Yeah, no, it's not how to install a garbage disposal. That's the old garbage disposal, and I just installed a brand new garbage disposal right there. And I had to install that deal there and screw it on there, put the pigtail on. And I've got that on one of my previous episodes, okay? And the previous episode before that, I had to install this basket strainer on this sink. This was a brand new sink, brand new countertop. I installed the faucet, the soap dispenser, and now I'm ready to install the trap assembly and all that kind of stuff. And for a garbage disposal and a sink like this, you're gonna have a trap assembly, something like this. This is the old one. Okay, see this gets hooked up to the garbage disposal. It comes straight across all the way over to where the other drain is, and then it goes down to the trap and then out the wall. Okay, so that's what I've got to mimic. Now, I could use some of these old parts. I don't know how old they are. I might use part of that, but then you can go to the store, you can get parts. And see this one here, telescopic disposer kit. And see, it comes with that T there, and then it comes with some extensions to extend this over to the garbage disposal, to extend this up to the other sink. And then there's a trap assembly. You can get the P-trap assembly by itself.